Okay, I decided to redo this video and make it more complete as far as maybe a little review on this and what I went through to adapt it to the Crosman pistol. Anyway, this comes with a nice rubber cover, and it comes with a Weaver style mount, which even with this adapter is still just as low as this Dovetail mount. And this is what comes with it. And it is the correct footprint. 2 lugs and wide mount holes. I believe it's an RMR footprint. This is a doctor footprint. However, this is the one I wanted. I've got them both, so I can always go back to this if I want it. But it requires this adapter, and even with this adapter, you have to file this out because of the height of this lug that they have. And even with the filing I did, it was not exactly correct, and I still need to do more. And I thought, well, man, I don't like this whole setup if I don't have to use it. So I purchased this one. Now it is a doctor footprint is what they call it. So what I did is modified it for use on the RMR footprint UTG Red Dot. And in order to do that, these 2 back lugs have to be filed off. It's an 1/8 inch long, so I took that off too. This is just done with a Dremel and a whiz wheel. These 2 holes I picked up, these are the mounting holes it comes with. I drilled and tapped these 2 holes with a 632 bit or 632 tap and a 38 drill bit. I mean, you can look at the index. And if all you had was this cushion, you could pick them up. I left, instead of taking these all the way off, which I could have done, they're really not needed. I mean, if this was going on a shotgun or a Glock or something, those would be needed. But this has no kick. I think we all know that. But I decided to just take off part of them. On the Doctor drill bit, they're wider than, or they're narrower. On the Doctor drill bit, or the Doctor base, they are, they're narrower. On the RMR, they're wider. So I just took a whiz wheel and nipped this one there and there, so they're still functioning. So they're still involved in the whole deal, and they still center and locate the sight. So you can change the battery, put it back on, and still be sighted in. Anyway, that's what I did. Obviously, when you install this, again, it's not on a Glock, and it's tight. It'll go back in the same location. I'm gonna do some performance testing on this. I just put in a new power valve modification, and I'm gonna see how that did. It also comes with this adjuster. Like I said, it comes with the correct mount, which you have to use this spacer. But it is a nice sight with a excellent sight picture and a really crisp defined dot, red dot. So that's what is all involved. And now it is a Dovetail 11mm, and it works great.